I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start at the domain gate, move immediately toward the main plaza. Once inside, make sure you're on foot and look for the central path that leads to the throne area. Don't detour. Use a save now. This preserves progress if you miss search. If you have the Sheikah sensor set to treasure, tag any wooden chests as you pass. They often hide character journals. Keep your inventory clear so you can pick up an item immediately. You'll want to approach the throne wing slowly and sweep every room clockwise. This prevents backtracking. Look on desks and bedside tables first. Diaries frequently appear as interactable books or small items. Once done with surfaces, open every wooden chest and cupboard. Subtle journals can be tucked inside. Make sure to check behind curtains and under beds, then backtrack one door toward the hall. You want to guarantee you didn't miss a hidden stash or tucked-away chest. When you spot a small book labeled as a diary, pick it up and confirm the icon and short description. That tells you it's Mipha's. If you finish the wing and don't find it, reload the save you made at the start and search the adjacent guest room or staff quarters. Sometimes placement shifts. If problems persist, use the Sheikah Sensor Plus set to treasure or return at a different in-game time. Certain items appear only after talking to specific NPCs or after quest triggers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.